How to buy Pippin token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener here. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, as you can see, and make sure that this token it came under the Solana network. Now for that, open your phone wallet. Now click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So after that, what you need to do is just click on your token. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, what you need to do is select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. This is how to buy Pippin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.